Hello, today we're going to learn about how to verbally guide our children through responding correctly. So, why do we sometimes need to use verbal guidance as a teaching tool? Well, this can be a way to help our children learn the word correctly from the very beginning without making any errors. The key is to start off with the right amount of prompting that your child needs. So think about how much help they need initially, and then over time, how you're going to decrease that amount of prompting. So you might start off with a full word and then try to fade your support so that you're just providing the initial sound of the word. Sometimes you can also help your child by giving them an indirect cue about the name of the word, by having them touch a picture from an array of 2 and then go into just asking them what the name of that item is. This can be an indirect way that they hear that name, and then when you ask them the name of it, they'll be better able to provide you with the name for that item. So we'll watch an example of how you can use some verbal guidance or verbal prompting to teach a child a brand new word that they don't know. What to watch for in this video: see how full guidance, full support is given at the very beginning, and the parent is monitoring to see what level of support the child continues to need as they work on learning this new word. You'll see that the child is given lots of practice to learn this new word. Learning new words can also be really frustrating and challenging. So make sure that you keep the learning really fun and light. Mix in known targets and fun actions so your kiddo is going to want to stay with you and continue going on until they actually learn this new word. But remember, only push as far as your child is ready. You can definitely split up this practice over several different and short attempts throughout the day or several days. What is that? Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Good. What is it?
Frying pan.
High five. Boom. Low five. Boom. What's that?
Play.
What's this? Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Good. What is it?
Frying pan.
High five. Boom. Low five. Boom. Ooh, what's this?
We talk?
Delivery truck?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that? Frying pan. Yeah, what is that?
Frying pan.
Frying pan. High five. Boom. Low five. Ooh, yummy. What's that?
Popsicle.
Popsicle. What's that?
What?
What's this?
What is it?
Frying pan.
Oh, no.
Frying pan. What is that?
Frying pan.
Ooh, low five. Boom. Fist bump. Ooh, what's that?
Leaf.
Leaf. What's that?
What?
Frying pan. What is it?
Frying pan.
Oh, good job. Low five. Ooh. Oh, what are those?
Diaper.
Diaper. What's that?
Frying pan.
Frying pan. Good job. What's that? Couch.
Square.
Square.
Dress.
Dress.
Wow.
Giraffe. Oh, what's that?
Moving man.
No, it's this.
What?
What is this picture?
Can you tell me? Din pan.
Frying pan. Good. Oh, what's that?
Hippo.
Uh-huh.
Bear.
Good.
Frying pan.
Oh, you remembered. You remembered.